So I broke my Harbor Freight tire bar while I was changing the tire. You can see right there, you know, it is broke. And I want to see if my Harbor Freight, I got right here, 90 amp, it's the older model. I want to see if my Harbor Freight welder can fix my Harbor Freight tire bar. And so that's what I'm going to do. I've already ground some of the edges down a little bit so I can get in there and weld inside and get a good I'll get clear in there. Anyway, whatever. And I've got a Harbor Freight magnet holding it there. You can see that? Very nice, huh? So anyway, I'm gonna get my my welder. I got it plugged in. I'm gonna get my welder going here and see if it'll fix it. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Gloves, helmet, Alright, so I've got the welder set. It's, about between 5 and 6 there. And I got it on maximum. Because I want to get a good, what do you call it, inside there. A good, whatever you call it. Shit, I can't even think of what it's called. But anyway, that's my first, a couple welds there, and I'm gonna take the magnet off and flip it around, and I'll do the other side here. Okay, so I went ahead and I welded the other side, the flat side here. Kind of flip it around here so you can see. Guess I can take the clamp off. But I think I get good penetration there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grind it. I'm going to try and grind it down so it's all smooth, take the grinder, and I'll see how that looks when I'm done. I'll show you that when I get it done. Alright, so I ground it down. There it is. What do you guys think? Yeah, it's not perfect. There's a little bit there I didn't fill in. It wasn't completely flat as far as sitting on the magnet, so I think that's why there's a little ridge in there, a little hole there. But what the hell, I got it fixed, and hopefully the real test, of course, is going to be when the next time I fix a tire with it, if it holds up as I'm putting the tire on. So anyway, there you have it. My little Harbor Freight welders come in handy again. Once again, I paid like $75 for it 2-3 years ago, and the cart's eBay cart. Most everything else is Harbor Freight. That's eBay helmet there. I would recommend trying to get a good helmet. Make sure you get a good helmet. I'm not exactly sure if that's the best helmet, but it's worked. So My grinder is a Craftsman grinder. Damn it, it's not Harbor Freight. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.